Good morning and welcome back. It's 8:16. We've been tracking some severe weather in the KXAN viewing area. Flash flood warning continues for the next 15 minutes for a little bit of Blanco and Hayes and Caldwell County. And you'll notice, though, all of the thunderstorm activity has been clearing out, but a severe weather risk will continue through the rest of the morning into the afternoon and evening hours. We'll point that out in just a second. Here's the live radar showing Giddings in Lee County, a little bit of Milam, some lightning strikes. These storms are non-severe, should be clearing out of Lee County in the next 15 minutes. Now, the rest of the day, Storm Prediction Center has highlighted a level 2 out of 5 risk. This includes the Austin Metro in most of the 15 counties we keep an eye on here at the First Warning Weather Center. High resolution model continues to show a little bit of clearing, briefly followed by more storm development for our eastern counties through the late morning into the early afternoon hours. These are going to be very popcorn storms, hit and miss through the rest of the afternoon. Some clearing skies could build thunderstorm fuel and instability, leading to additional supercell development out toward the hill country later on this evening, and that could be still impacting the downtown Austin area. So we'll have to keep an eye on the radar through the rest of the day today. For now, though, we're not really seeing any sort of big stormy clouds, just overcast conditions. 70 in Austin, winds out of the north-northwest at about 3 miles per hour, humidity at 90%, definitely muggy out and about. 88 is the high temperature today. If we stay cloudy, this could go down a little bit to 85, winds out of the east-southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. A little cooler for our northern counties, 82 up in Milam County and Cameron, 81 in Lampasas, 83 in Burnett, 84 in San Saba, 87 in Bastrop, 85 in San Marcos. Here's your weekend forecast, upper 80s for your Saturday. Very isolated showers and storms, and on Sunday, 10% rain chance, back up into the 90s, breezy out of the south. Rain coverage dropping off beyond today, back down to a isolated to widely scattered category, and that will continue through the rest of the month of May and to kick off June. Additional rainfall through the next week. I'm thinking just a general 1 to 2 inches. We need the rain considering the drought that we're in here in central Texas. Your 7-day forecast, we'll see temperatures fluctuate from the upper 80s to low 90s. The highest rain chance is today at 60%. We'll be watching the radar for additional severe weather. Another reason why you should download the KXAN First Warning Weather app.